Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make creamy coconut chicken curry. We'll need 2 pounds, 900 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 large yellow onion, 2 tablespoons garlic, and 1.5 tablespoons ginger, 2 green chilies slit, 1 large tomato, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, 1¼ teaspoon garam masala, 1 cup coconut milk, and a few tablespoons coconut oil or vegetable oil for cooking. First, I'll mince the garlic and ginger in a food chopper. Then mince the onion. I'll puree the tomato. You can use fresh tomato or canned tomato puree. Heat up a pot and add oil, about 4 tablespoons. When the oil is hot, add the minced onion and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Cook for a few minutes until soft. Then add the ginger and garlic. I'll need a little more oil because this is a stainless steel pan and minced onion will stick to the bottom if there's not enough oil. If you're using a non-stick pot, you won't need to add more oil. Add the slit green chilies. Cook this until golden. Then add all the ground spices. Stir and cook for about a minute. Add the tomato puree. And cook covered for a few minutes, stirring in between. When the oil separates and the mixture starts sticking to the bottom, it's ready. You see the color has darkened a little, which is good. That means the raw flavor of the tomato is gone. Add a teaspoon of salt and the chicken. Give it a stir and cook for 5 minutes. Stir once in between. Then cover the chicken and cook until tender, about 25 minutes. Do check once or twice and add a little boiling water if the chicken sticks to the bottom of the pan. I checked frequently and stirred it, but didn't have to add any water. It's best to cook the chicken with as little water as possible for maximum flavor. Also, use medium to medium-low heat so you're able to cook the chicken without adding much water. The chicken is cooked, you see the gravy's thick and pretty much coating the chicken, and that's what you want. Add 1 cup of coconut milk, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Taste and add salt if needed. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. The gravy is creamy and rich, and the chicken is soft and delicious. Serve this curry with rice or bread. This is a curry that everyone will love. It's not overly spicy. You can always adjust the heat by adding less chili powder and black pepper powder. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.